Welcome to Blue Baron Manufacturing, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. Here we have a Blue Baron 33 SC. Everything is virtually the same as all the other units from this model up until 47XL, with exception for the size of the header on the 47 is larger and its engine. This is a 20 and a half horse Kohler. You've got a 33 size blower, which is a 3MR in Suterbilt, Gardner, Denver. You have a 3,500 pounds pressure rated Access Point heat exchanger. So this unit is capable of getting the same level of heat within probably 20 degrees. It's going to be a little lower because, again, the engine is smaller, but it's still going to give out great heat. It's a 3.5 size AR pump, so it's 3.5 gallons per minute. Working pressure is up to 3,000, so you easily get over 2,000 pounds pressure on this unit. Great for tile, and all the way from carpet cleaning to tile. And everything's fully equipped. You got your accessory over here for your demand pump and your pump out. They're labeled right there, by the way. Serial number will always be there, so you can keep track of warranties and when it was purchased. And again, all the old stainless, high quality stainless header. Great materials. I mean, we spend a lot of money on the materials. We don't hold back in what we do as far as quality. Even the slats, the transfer plates for this 33 size blower, where it's 45 here and then it's comes up to here to a 47. And as well as the 36, we use transfer plates, but they're stainless flat bar. They're not just junk carbon steel. High quality all the way around. We don't mess around. This unit is totally awesome, well constructed, and high performing. A unit like this could be well close to 20,000 out there in the market today. So with our Access Point heat exchanger technology and the level of heat and stability far exceeds your expectations. And we have the water box here. We have the pump system, and we have thermal control as far as the temperature in your box, not to exceed too high temperatures. We have a post heater at the bottom. That post heater will give you winter month helps in the winter months by regenerating the heat through your bypass and back into your water box through the way of your bypass. It's all thermostatically controlled, so you can get your temperature, wide range of temperatures. You virtually can pretty much walk away from this machine and know that it's going to self-regulate on its own. And we can also do water cleanup as well. And we lower the thermostat, and it allows you to get a quick release of high heat energy from your water and displaces it either to a freshwater tank or to your waste tank. So this unit is very capable. It's got a lifetime warranty on its frame because it's quarter thick plate, all CNC, laser cut, beautifully constructed. Nobody builds a plate that thick. This thing is really built. So call us today at 727-505-2989. We have optional packages available for freshwater tanks. We also sell the Rotovac tools and rotary tools for tile cleaning and all kinds of surface cleaning. And also we are going to have the Blue Baron extend out maintenance. It's a Blue Baron maintenance rollout bed that will be mounted in your truck so that you can be able to pull this unit out and be able to service it rather than be bumping your head, just being cramped inside just to do a belt change out. We're going to make this industry much easier for people, not only to get into a really super high quality model throughout all the models, get into a really good truck mount, but not go broke over it like so many of the other companies are doing. John Don, HydroMaster, ProChem, just to name a few, they're not they don't behave like end users. They don't act like they've ever really. A lot of these people have never even cleaned carpets, and they put together machines that are way too stuffed up, cramped up, with louvered covers, low, low life on the blowers and the engines. So you get a lot of failure because you got too much trapped in heat. So this unit here is breeze easy, easy to get to, easy to do at belt changeouts. Everything is there and where you can get at it. And that's why our units have become so popular in this industry. So call us today at 727-505-2989. Come down to our factory shop for a demonstration and see what we're all about. We're about quality and performance. Thank you. Bye.